wave your hands. Okay, wave your hands. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Okay. For the last time, rampa tayo last. Ayan. Okay na? Okay, closer. Closer.
Congratulations!
Okay na? Ayan. Okay, clear na?
Thank you po. Good job, Dina. Congratulations, baby.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will be giving the moment for our newly crowned little princess Philippine Expo 2024, Ayana Villar.
Miriam, tinuro mo yan, ano?
Japan and Philippines, let us continue the friendship and goodwill para sa kapayapaan at kaunlaran at sana pagtuloy ang dalawang pambansang bandagan ay magkakaisa sa isang isip, puso at gawa. This has been your host, Ryan Zambianibon Secretary saying, mabuhay o manayaw. Shukran.
Otskare sama desta. Ayan na ang princess. Ayan ang little expo.